Hello, my name's Ian Bradley and I'm the franchise director at My Window Cleaner. We've got a great business opportunity for you to look at. Our business was started in 1996 by Karen Brewer, and we've got nearly 5,000 regular customers in our core business and successful franchisees around the UK. We have a great team within the business that will support every aspect of yours, including a customer care team who will answer the calls and make your bookings for you whilst you're out on the rounds. The total investment is about £14,000 and you can expect great returns, about £30,000 in year one and £60,000 in year two. If you did require any funding, we've got the great support from the franchise teams in all the major banks. This is a very scalable business opportunity. By using our proven marketing techniques and our own bespoke IT system, you can turn your business into a multi-van operation.
My name's Josh Elgadari and I run the My Window Cleaner Bournemouth. The last job before My Window Cleaner was an office manager. That's something I wanted really. So having to be sat at a desk all day, so that's part of the appeal. A lot of my friends and family said, well, why are you getting a franchise window cleaner? Do it yourself. Yeah, I could have, but I would say one of the biggest factors I went for My Window Cleaner is the computer system. I know so many window cleaners that have a round, once they get over about 300 customers, they forget to go to certain customers and they're losing out on custom. Now I've got to over 250, 300 I believe. Now it's organically growing, so referrals, the phone's always ringing. I don't have to actually go out and get customer anymore. And the next step, which is pretty close to be fair, is I'll employ someone to come and help me. My ambition is to have a multi-van operation, a fleet of a good 4. And then just overrun it, basically.
Do you need experience within the industry? Well, no, because we will teach you all aspects of running your own My Window Cleaner business. You just require great motivation and mindset to be able to grow your own scalable, profitable multi-van business. If you'd like to learn more about our business opportunity, please contact me for an informal chat.